Today we are going to learn about crafting your unique YouTube channel identity. This video will guide you through defining and developing a distinct brand identity for your YouTube channel. By the end, you'll be equipped with skills to articulate your channel's mission and visually communicate your brand to attract your target audience. Welcome to our video on crafting your unique YouTube channel identity. In this video, we will explore the foundational steps required to create a distinctive and recognizable brand identity for your YouTube channel. We'll cover essential topics such as defining a channel mission, designing visual styles, and maintaining a consistent tone across platforms. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of how to stand out in the crowded YouTube space and attract your desired audience. Let's dive into the world of YouTube branding. A strong brand identity is crucial for any YouTube channel seeking to differentiate itself in a crowded marketplace. It serves as the unique fingerprint that distinguishes your channel from others. When viewers recognize your brand, they're more likely to trust your content and return for more. This trust fosters loyalty, encouraging subscribers to engage with your videos and share them with others. Moreover, a well-defined brand identity enhances recognition and recall, making it easier for viewers to remember your channel and find it again. Consistent branding aligns with your audience's expectations, ensuring that your content delivers the value they seek. Finally, having a distinct brand identity supports consistent messaging across all your videos, reinforcing your channel's mission and values. To build a successful YouTube channel, it's imperative to identify your target audience and niche. Start by defining the demographics of your ideal viewers. Consider factors such as age, gender, location, and interests. Understanding these elements will help you tailor content to meet their specific needs and preferences. Next, delve deep into your chosen niche. Research existing channels and identify gaps or opportunities where your content could stand out. Align your content strategy with the expectations of your audience, ensuring that each video serves a purpose and provides value. Utilize YouTube analytics to gain insights into your audience's behavior and preferences. This data-driven approach allows you to refine your understanding of who your audience is and how best to cater to them. A compelling channel mission statement is the backbone of your YouTube brand identity. It defines your channel's purpose and outlines the goals you aim to achieve. Begin by clearly articulating what your channel is about and the value it provides to viewers. Ensure that your mission statement is concise, memorable, and aligned with the expectations of your target audience. It should communicate what makes your channel unique and why viewers should choose your content over others. Incorporate your mission statement into your channel description, making it visible to new and returning visitors. This not only sets the tone for your channel but also helps viewers understand the essence of your content and the benefits they can expect. Visual style is a critical component of your YouTube brand identity. Start by creating a memorable logo that encapsulates the essence of your channel. Your logo should be simple, recognizable, and adaptable across different platforms. Next, choose a color palette that reflects your brand personality and is consistent across all your visual elements. This palette should be used in your logo, channel art, and thumbnails to create a cohesive look. Thumbnails are often the first impression viewers have of your videos, so make them eye-catching and compelling. Ensure that your visual style is consistent across all your content, reinforcing your brand identity. By reflecting your brand personality in your visuals, you create a strong emotional connection with your audience. Your channel's tone and voice are integral to how you communicate with your audience. Begin by defining the tone you want to convey in your videos. Is it formal, casual, humorous, or informative? Ensure that this tone is consistent across all your content, maintaining a uniform language and style. Align your tone with the expectations of your audience, creating content that resonates with them on a personal level. Use your tone to build a connection with viewers, making them feel understood and valued. It's important to adapt your voice for different content types, ensuring that it remains authentic and engaging. By maintaining a consistent tone and voice, you strengthen your brand identity and foster a loyal community. Brand consistency should extend beyond YouTube to all your social media platforms. Ensure that your branding elements, such as your logo, color palette, and tone, are consistent across channels. While each platform has its unique features, adapt your content to fit different social media environments while maintaining your core brand identity. Engage with your audience on these platforms, fostering a community that extends beyond YouTube. Use social media to reinforce your brand identity, sharing content that aligns with your channel's mission and values. Regularly analyze your brand presence on various platforms, making adjustments to ensure that your branding remains strong and cohesive. Analyzing successful YouTube channels in your niche can provide valuable insights into effective branding strategies. Begin by identifying channels that have achieved significant success and recognition. Analyze their branding elements, such as their visual style, content format, and engagement strategies. Observe how they communicate their brand identity and connect with their audience. Learn from their successes and adapt elements that resonate with your brand. However, it's crucial to avoid copying their strategies directly. Instead, use these insights to inspire your own unique branding approach, ensuring that your channel maintains its originality and authenticity. Your brand identity is not static, it should evolve as your channel grows and the industry changes. Stay updated with the latest trends in YouTube and your niche, ensuring that your brand remains relevant and competitive. Regularly review your branding elements, such as your logo, color palette, and tone, to ensure they align with your evolving channel goals. Adapt to audience feedback, making adjustments that enhance viewer satisfaction and engagement. While evolution is essential, it's crucial to maintain brand consistency over time. Balance innovation with brand stability, ensuring that your core identity remains intact. By continually refining your brand identity, you ensure long-term success and growth. In conclusion, crafting a unique YouTube channel identity is crucial for standing out in a crowded space and attracting your ideal audience. We've covered essential steps, from understanding the importance of brand identity to designing a cohesive visual style and maintaining a consistent tone. It's vital to implement these strategies and adapt them to your unique channel needs. Remember, consistency and originality are key to a successful brand. We encourage you to take these insights and apply them to your YouTube journey. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing your unique brand identity flourish.